Hi, welcome to St. Brendan. I'm Catherine Shumate, the school principal.
And I'm Father Wichert, the pastor of the school and the parish.
We're excited you're here, getting to know our community and exploring our virtual open house. We have a number of great links for you to click on to get to know our classrooms and our programs.
Including learning how to love the Lord and to love one another, which is what we're all called to do as human beings, especially as we grow in virtue. And we want to help your children to do precisely that, to grow in virtue, to grow as human beings in a fun-filled and a safe environment.
Our students here are able to develop a sense of belonging. They develop one-on-one relationships with teachers, and our teachers really teach the whole child from a faith, spirituality standpoint, academics, and social emotional as well. We also have opportunities for our students to participate in a wide variety of extracurricular activities at St. Brendan. And there's a lot of other offerings that we have at St. Brendan, and we encourage you to explore our website.
And in doing that, you can even find a link. If you want to do an actual in-person tour, you can click on the link on the website, or you can call the school office also. God bless you guys.